Good morning to you, Louise and Dan. That's right, temperatures are going to be on the dip as we head through the course of this week. It was a mild weekend. In fact, yesterday, the warmest day of the year so far. We're only in January, but temperatures in Cambridgeshire reached 15 degrees. Now, this is the sunrise in Cambridgeshire this morning. We've got some clear skies out there, but increasing amounts of cloud, down to the fact that this weather front is going to be pushing its way south across the country. So that'll bring some wet and some really quite windy weather through this morning, clearing though towards the south, and we've got colder, brighter air moving in from the north. So 8 o'clock this morning then, if you're stepping out this morning, quite cloudy, certainly mild in the south, those temperatures 10 or 11 degrees, a few brighter spells down towards Kent and Sussex, but windy weather, particularly through the Midlands, also down towards the Bristol Channel, and some heavy rain on that front across the northwest of England in particular. I think the far north of England, for the likes of Northumberland, through the Scottish borders and up through central parts of Scotland, there'll be some sunshine, but northern and western Scotland will continue to see the showers, and they'll be falling as snow over the highest ground. Fewer showers for Northern Ireland, a lot of dry, bright weather likely here through the morning, but heavy rain through North Wales, which will shift its way further south through the day. So this band of strong winds and fairly heavy rain heads its way southwards and eastwards, the rain becoming lighter and patchier by the time it arrives across the London region through the middle part of the afternoon. Much clearer weather, though, returns to the rest of the country, so a lot of sunny, dry weather here. A few scattered showers continue towards the northwest, and temperatures today around 6 to 12 degrees, so it is a little bit colder than it was yesterday. And tonight will be much colder than it was last night, with clear skies and light winds for most parts of the country. We're certainly going to be seeing a frosty start to Tuesday morning. Windier conditions, though, for Scotland and for Northern Ireland, with some showers continuing here. But in the countryside, almost wherever you are, I think those temperatures will be sub-zero first thing. So a chilly start to your Tuesday morning. Some frost around, particularly for central and southern parts of England and Wales, and a few fog patches too. But a lot of dry, settled weather. During the day, though, we will start to see the low cloud and drizzle pushing into the southwest of England. And we're also going to keep the rain and a little bit of hill snow across Scotland, where it's going to be quite windy too. Probably the lion's share of the sunshine will be across eastern England. But temperatures certainly a little bit colder than they are today, around about 6 to 10 degrees on Tuesday. Now, during Wednesday, another cold front sweeps across the country, introducing colder conditions once again. So still some sunshine to be enjoyed by the time we get to Wednesday, but blustery winds bringing scattered showers with a little bit of snow over the higher ground in the northwest, and temperatures around about 5 to 10 degrees. So things are turning colder, but many of us will see a bit of sunshine between the showers over the next few days. Dan and Louise.
Thank you very much.
Good morning to you, Victoria. Well, we've got 3 zones of weather out there today. Some rain through the central slice of the country, but brighter skies returning from the north. So here's the view in County Antrim at the moment. Lots of sunshine there. If we take a look at the radar picture, you can see the rain clearing from Northern Ireland, pushing across northwest England and North Wales, where it's pretty heavy at the moment. So our second weather watch picture comes from Lancashire, Morecambe. You can see the extent of the rain, and it's not just wet weather, but windy weather too, in association with this front. So the front pushes itself southwards and eastwards across the country, opening the doors to a northwesterly airflow. So colder conditions piling in, but some sunshine to compensate. So sunshine returning across Northern Ireland, Scotland and Northern England, and that rain slowly pushing south across southern parts of England and Wales. The strongest of the winds easing away towards the south on into the afternoon. So this is 3 o'clock. That rain will be sitting across the Channel Isles, fairly light and patchy, but some brisk winds up towards Kent too. But further north across England and Wales, a return to the sunshine. Lots of dry weather, although those temperatures only around 7 or 8 degrees. It is cooler than recent days. For much of northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, a lot of dry and sunny weather, but we've got these showers piling in on that northwesterly wind, falling as snow over the higher ground of Scotland. Into this evening and tonight, we'll keep the breeze across Scotland with some showers in the west. Elsewhere, though, clear skies, the winds falling light, and it will be a much colder night than we had last night. In fact, temperatures just about remaining above freezing in most of our towns and cities, but in the countryside, we could see -3 or -4 degrees, particularly for central and southern England and Wales too. That's the coldest conditions first thing. So some frost and some fog patches likely, but I think a lot of dry sunny weather, particularly across central and eastern parts of England and Wales too. A little bit more drizzly rain heads into the southwest of England later in the afternoon, and Scotland also will see the arrival of some fairly heavy rain combined with a lot of melting snow too. So there could be 1 or 2 flooding problems across the west of Scotland. Temperature-wise, a little bit cooler than recent days, most of us in single figures. And Wednesday, that theme continues, the colder theme, as this front pushes its way southwards and eastwards. A spell of rain, followed by sunshine and blustery showers on that northwesterly breeze, with temperatures for most of us around 4 to 10 degrees. So things are turning colder, but we will see the reappearance of some sunshine mixed with some of those showers. You can find a longer range forecast on our website.